Hello, traders, and welcome to TradingWithBill.com. I'm Bill. We're in Pattaya, Thailand. Absolutely great outside. I wouldn't say blue skies, but not bad. We do have some sunshine. So yesterday I told you how great of a day it was, beautiful blue skies, all that good stuff. Let me tell you something. Yesterday afternoon we had the biggest rain. It only lasted like an hour. Man, it came down. Woohoo! Yeah, it was fun. It was fun. All right, good to be with you on a Thursday. What's going on with the dollar, huh? All the dollar pairs yesterday just absolutely took off as far as dollar strength goes. Unbelievable. Um, no rants today. I don't have nothing to talk about. Nothing to talk about today. Yeah. Yeah. Christmas is coming. All right, look what do we got here. China's on National Day. They're on holiday today. A couple of FOMC guys yakking away. I guess Fed Chair Powell was speaking, but that surely had nothing to do with this move with the dollar. Uh, that sure didn't happen. What's going on today? I guess yesterday on the Aussie, whatever their statement was, the markets didn't like it. Wow, did that Aussie just dump? We'll take a look at that in a minute. HIA new home sales out of the Aussie today. Exports, trade balance today. I don't know. Is trade balance going to be a big one? I don't know. We'll see. Be honest with you, I can't remember if it's a big mover or not. Let's see. Interest rate that's not nobody we care about. That's all right. Initial jobless claims today. Central bank reserves. FOMC. Who cares about them? Gap goods ship non-defense EX air. Okay, here we go. Woohoo! IVPMI isn't tomorrow's. Isn't tomorrow jobs? Isn't jobs come out tomorrow? Let's take a look. I thought jobs come out tomorrow. Job numbers. NFP. Yep. Okay. Job numbers tomorrow. So what does that mean as far as us as traders go? Well, so today we should be fine, right? But you get into New York and you get into that New York lunch area, markets are going to slow down. Tomorrow is going to absolutely be a wash. Volatility is going to be really dead. You probably, if we have something in Asia, we'll be okay. But I'm going to tell you something. You get to London lunch, yeah, it's going to be probably before that. Markets are just going to freeze up and do nothing. You know, when I started trading, I was in FX boot camp with Wayne McDonald, and he used to say on NFP day, he said, it's a good day to go play golf. Yeah, well, it is what it is. All right, that's all I got. Not a lot of news, huh? All right, let's take a look at some of these wild charts. Wild charts. All right, so here we are. This is our line we put in yesterday. Remember we put this line in here? So I was playing around this morning. I'm saying, well, look at this. This thing's just continuing to take this move to the downside. I knew this was going to happen. The biggest thing here is look at these moving averages, angle and separation pointing to the downside. This shows no realism that this wants to come back up or give us a pullback. This thing's on a journey, and it's not stopping. It is not stopping. The Aussie is just going for it. Going for it. What are you going to do here? If you can get it to the 55, you can take it to the downside. Right? But I really want that 7,200, right? Whole number, the whole 9 yards. Or 7,180 would be fine, right? And actually, if you look at that 7,180 area, it actually, yeah, okay. We could probably take it from there, but I think you're going to get a jam here. If this pulls to the upside, getting this to back to this 55 is going to be a task. I did have some trades yesterday. Listen, I didn't catch all these positions, folks. I'd be telling you a story if I told you. And I didn't do the Aussie because of that data that came out, so I stayed away from the Aussie dollar. But I got a couple of nibbles here and there, and it was all right. It paid for the lights yesterday in the computer. Yeah. Couple little ones. It's all right. But yeah, this Aussie just really took off. Look at how this reacted to this 55 EMA. Boom, boom, right? Just kicked it twice, right? Couldn't get up through that 55 and just continue to the downside. But that angle and separation on these EMAs is so important when you're doing analysis of how that's working, right? It just works. It's just working. Just working. Here's a good old euro. So, this didn't even make it back up to the 382. It did shoot over the 23.8 fib here. Did take a shot up that way, heading for that 200, and then took a move to the downside. I actually took a nibble like here. I think it was here somewhere. I think it was below this. I took a nibble out. It went sideways, freaked me out a little bit, and then it came back down a little bit. So I think I got 20 pips out of it, 18 pips. But yeah, I didn't get this up here. Did not get it up here. I was concerned about this 55. I was saying, man, this ain't gonna pop this 55. Yeah, William, you were wrong. Oh man, let's get rid of that fib. Yeah, there we go. So what are we gonna do here? Like what are we gonna do here? Again, angle separation. Everything's pointed to the downside. I'm not doing nothing. Right? I want this to come back up to this 200. Right? 1560. Beautiful. 1550, let's take it. We'll take it down to the downside. There's nothing to do here, my friends. Just nothing. Just leave it alone. This thing, I think it's just going to continue to dribble to the down. I think it's going to continue to go to the downside. Unless something comes out, unless something happens, somebody makes a tweet, i.e., whatever. This just looks like this is just going to continue to have a good day to the downside. Yeah. What else are we going to look at? Yeah, look at the pound. The poor pound. Look at this. This just unbelievable, huh? Remember we're looking to take this up? Not. Now, I don't like this, by the way. So, if you wanted to counter trend trade it, you can do that. Right? Maybe take it to the upside. But I don't like this. Right, even if it's 200, I don't want to take this at that 200. I do like the 3060 area though, or this 3080 area. Right, I do like that. We can get rid of him. All right, I like this area. I know, I know what you're all saying. William, we're never going to get up there to get this trade. Right, that's what you're saying. William, we're not getting up there to get this trade. You're probably right. Yeah, so what are we going to do with this? Listen, sure, angle separation. Well, separation isn't as good, but, this is so bearish. It's unbelievable. And the trick is, where are you going to get in? You get in at this 200. You got to fight all this, folks. And you can see, left of the chart, I always look left of the chart. You just got to look left of the chart. Fight at this level, fight at that level, right? Comes up, fight here, right? Boom, can't get past it, drops back down again. It's really hard to trade when you can't get entries and clean entries. So, all right, let's look at it this way. Let this tank, and let's get down to 29, 29.50, and we'll take it back up, right? Maybe that's an idea. Again, we talk about all the time. You can stick your support line down there and let it get below that, retest it, and then sell it, right? Because now that's resistance, right? But we're sure not going to sell at support, right? This is support, folks. We are not selling at support. This either needs to give us a pullback or it needs to break support, retest it. Now that's resistance, and we can sell it. Wow, look at this one. Look at this dollar yen. Anybody look at this dollar yen? Look at this bad boy, huh? Boy, that's a chart of beauty. Look at that angle separation, EMAs, the whole 9 yards. If it's gonna dump, You know, right? We're coming up to this 115. We're at the 115.50 area. It's a great level. See if we can get this to, you know, if you're going to trade this to the downside. You know, I always tell you, I use this as a tool. I don't trade the dollar yet, but I'll tell you what. Whew, this is like this is overbought. This is like, you know, to the moon, man. This is like, and it doesn't look like it wants to stop. It's going sideways because of the time of day. But yeah, this is just unbelievable, unbelievable. Hey, you know, I talk about this all the time. Being the this is like the bear. This bear has been bearish for years. Yeah, none of this worked, huh? Yeah. You tried, William, but it didn't work. It just didn't work. Right, so you look for something like that. I'm just putting these here, you know. Right? Does this say I want to continue to the upside? Right? Well, where are you going to go here? Where are you going to go here? Yeah. Folks, that's what's going on in the charts. They all look the same. It's about entry. It's about pullbacks. And, yeah, that's what's going on. Let's take a look at what happened in the U.S. session yesterday. Here we go. So here's the Thinkorswim platform from TD Ameritrade. The oil futures continues to the upside. We are at 70. Where we at? 76.16 on the dollar futures. Dollar index 95.99 on this platform. Facebook apparently made a move yesterday. I was in the U.S. session for about an hour and a half, almost 2 hours, and the Facebook was still heading to the downside. So this happened after I turned off my computers. But this was down here, and it was red. So whatever happened, it kicked back up. But Facebook was tanking, huh? So we'll get rid of that Facebook at some point here. The VIX ain't doing really much. It's still hanging out at that 12 level, 1220, 1225, right? ESs, you know, unchanged. You know, I watch the ESs a lot, and just absolutely unchanged. You know, you want to talk about the euro? Here you go. This is the euro futures.
It's 7 hours.
Hey, it's 7 o'clock in the morning. And look at the euro futures, right? Tankaroo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're on our 7th trading day, and we're starting off with a red candle of the euro just tanking. Tanking. Whew. Wow, huh? Amazing. But we got levels here, right? You look here, right? You know, now we're starting to get this, you know, support levels here, price levels here. You got to watch for maybe the bounce, but it sure doesn't look like it, does it? But yeah, so that's what it is what it is. Interesting. Very, very interesting. I have to be honest with you. Very interesting. Great to be trading, man. Be happy to be trading. Trading's exciting, you know? Man, not a bad way to make a living. Dollar index is 95.67 on investing.com. Traders, thanks for being with me. As you know, I don't do a video on Friday. I have another obligation. So traders, always remember to trade smart and not hard. Have a great weekend break. And what's more important than anything? Have a little bit of fun. Traders, we'll catch you on Monday morning in Asia. Take care, my friends, and thank you for all your support. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.